Class Aves. Aves descended from ancient archosaurs. They have a horny beak with no teeth. The covering of feathers is called the plumage. Preening keeps feathers smooth, clean, and in place. Feathers have adapted camouflage to fit their habitat. Their bones are pneumatic, meaning they have holes to make them light, but they're still very strong. Birds are endothermic. Their average temperature is 107 degrees. Birds exist all over the world and have adapted their beaks, talons, and feathers based on the area they live in. Order Accipitriformes. Examples: hawks, eagles, and vultures. Their wings are long and fairly broad. They have strong legs and feet with raptorial and opposable hind claws. They have a sharply hooked beak and they're carnivores. Order Stringtiformes. Example: owls. They have an upright stance and a large, broad head. They have binaural hearing and binocular vision. They have sharp talons and their feathers have adapted for silent flying. Order Pictiformes. Examples: woodpeckers and toucans. They have zygodactylous talons, which means 2 toes in the front and 2 toes in the back. They have no down feathers. They have a heavy, sturdy beak and colorful plumage. Order Coractiformes. Examples: kingfishers and toddies. They have small, weak feet with 3 forward-pointing toes. They have large heads and long beaks. Order Falconiformes. Example: falcons. They have sharp beaks and great eyesight. They have long, curved talons and compact bodies. Order Pisistiformes. Examples: parrots, parakeets, and cockadoos. They have bright colors, short necks, and compact bodies. They have short, hooked beaks, and they're all vegetarian. Order Passeriformes. Sparrows, robins, and crows. They have perching feet and well-developed vocal cords. They're generally small, and most of them migrate.
Breeding ritual: a red cap mannequin. The red cap mannequin uses 4 different attractions. They show their yellow thighs, snap their wings to make a noise, circle around the branch, and perform a moonwalk-like dance to entreat their females. They breed from February to July depending on their location. They normally lay 2 eggs when they reproduce. They don't form stable pairs, and the dancing and ritual is innate. The digestive system. Most birds have a stored structure in their esophagus called a crop, which is used for consuming large quantities of food at a time. The stomach is broken up into 2 sections. The proventriculus releases toxic juices that begins digestion. The ventriculus has muscles to crush any seeds or other hard materials. The majority of enzymatic digestion occurs in the small intestine, helped by secretions from the pancreas and liver. They usually eliminate undigested food through the cloaca, and owls form pellets of bone fur and feathers that are actually ejected through the mouth. The circulatory system. It has a double-loop circulatory system, meaning the blood flows through the heart twice. It has a 4-chambered heart. The respiratory system. The 4 organs used to help the birds respire are the nostrils, trachea, lungs, and air sacs. Lungs are made of small air tubes called parabronchi. Air goes from the lungs into the bloodstream and then to the body cells. Air from the air sacs cools internal organs and maintains body temperature. Air sacs make up 15% of the total body volume. The nervous system. The nervous system consists of a brain, nerves, and sense organs. They lack a cerebral cortex, the part of the brain associated with intelligence. The birds have the best eyesight of all animals due to their large eyes, sometimes weighing more than their brain. Endangered species. The Tasmanian wedge-tailed eagle, which is endangered due to its low breeding success rate and natural disasters. The forest owl, which is endangered due to its habitat fragmentation caused by the continued loss of deciduous forests. The red-conchated woodpecker, which is endangered due to the cutting down of old-growth timber because they need living pine trees that are at least 60 years old for nesting. The blue-throated macaw, which is endangered because of illegal hunting for pets and a decline in trees. The Hawaiian crow, which is endangered due to diseases such as Toxoplasma gondii and fowlpox. Unique species. Our unique species is the eastern screech owl, aka Megascops asio. It lives in the eastern parts of the U.S. It is 7 to 10 inches tall, has an 18 to 24 inch wingspan, and weighs 4 to 9 ounces. Despite name, they don't screech, but they send trills of 4 different sounds per second.